Hi everyone. So today I'm here to share some exciting news with all my YouTube family because you are my extended family, right? So guess what? What happens yesterday with me? Yesterday was a special day in my life which I have dreamed about. So I'm happy to share this news with all my YouTube family that I have been awarded with the top affiliate from the ACCA, right? So I was so happy and never expected about this award. You can check out my bio. I have been rank holder multiple of time, but this award was really special for me. So I would like to share this good news with all my YouTube family, and also like to thanks especially to all the people who helped me during my ACCA journey. And special thanks to first and foremost my Lord Krishna, then to my in-laws house and the husband, and my husband was the major role player during this whole journey. He was with me during those sleepless nights, so I know he know about all the struggle I have been gone through this journey. So what I have been learned through this ACC journey is that your hard work never goes away. If you have truly done hard work, it will pay off you one day. And one more thing what I have been learned through this journey is that patience is the key. So trust me guys, don't just judge the process, have a faith on the end result. It will be beautiful. Thank you.